In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of neuro-linguistic programming, or NLP, and how it can be a powerful tool for planning and executing a successful project. Meet Emma and Sarah. Emma is an experienced life coach who specializes in NLP techniques, and today she's going to guide Sarah, a driven entrepreneur, in shaping her upcoming project with clarity and confidence. As they sit down, Emma begins by explaining the fundamentals of NLP. It's not just about understanding words, but also the underlying thought patterns that influence our actions. Emma asks Sarah to envision her project's end goal. "What does success look like to you?" she inquires gently. Sarah takes a moment and imagines a thriving business, happy clients, and a fulfilled lifestyle. Emma nods, emphasizing the importance of a clear, vivid vision. This is the first step in utilizing NLP for successful project planning. Next, Emma introduces the concept of anchoring positive emotions. She asks Sarah to recall a past success. Instantly, Sarah's face lights up as she reminisces about a previous project win. Emma encourages her to anchor that feeling, attaching it to a specific gesture or word. Whenever you need a boost of confidence, Emma instructs, use this anchor. This technique is key in maintaining motivation and positivity throughout the project journey. Moving forward, Emma coaches Sarah on reframing potential challenges. Instead of viewing obstacles as roadblocks, they reframe them as opportunities for growth and learning. Emma emphasizes that the language we use, both internally and externally, shapes our experience. By shifting her mindset and language from negative to positive, Sarah can transform her approach to problem solving. As the session progresses, they delve into creating a timeline. Emma guides Sarah in setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, resourced, time-framed, and steps. Together, they map out a clear, realistic roadmap with milestones, ensuring that each step aligns with Sarah's overall vision. Finally, Emma wraps up their session with a visualization exercise. She asks Sarah to visualize each step of her project, from start to finish, feeling the emotions she wants to experience at each stage. This mental rehearsal primes Sarah's mind for success, allowing her to tackle her project with informed enthusiasm and strategic insight. With Emma's NLP coaching, Sarah leaves the session empowered, ready to turn her vision into reality, one step at a time.